Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off by having some coffee. As you guys can see, my eyes are super red and dark underneath, so I'm having some coffee, hoping that helps. But jumping into the makeup, I am just throwing my hair up to get out of the way, and then going in with my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer, applying that all over my face, and then going in with my Origins eye cream. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, the names of all the products I'm using, so if I don't say something, it will be listed down below for you. So then to prime my face, I'm using the MakeSense Silk Primer and just focusing that on my T-zone and then blending it out. And then I'm going in with the Pixi by Petra. It's the coral corrector, and I like to pop this under my eyes again to help out with that darkness under there and some of that discoloration. So for foundation, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm using two different colors because the color range is kind of small, so I have to mix them to get my perfect shade. But yeah, I love this foundation, and applying that with a damp beauty blender. To conceal, I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and applying that under my eyes, around my nose, any spots I have, and a little bit on my chin and forehead just to brighten things up, and blending it out with a damp beauty blender. To set everything, I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder, and if you guys haven't tried this, it's super inexpensive and obviously a drugstore product. I highly recommend it. I think it's a really good setting powder, but I'm just using this any of the places that I used the concealer. So because this is more of a special occasions look and I really want my makeup to last longer and look its best, I'm using the Milani Make It Last setting spray right now, and then I kind of like to dab it into my foundation. And that just really sets the setting powder so that it doesn't look like powder on top of your skin, just kind of blends in flawlessly. Then I'm just filling in my brows and priming my eyelids with the Master Prime by Maybelline. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Tartlette in Bloom palette and taking this kind of taupey, warm kind of brown color at the bottom, and I'm using that in my crease just as my transition shade, and then I'm going to be going in with the color Rebel and keeping this one mostly on the outer third of my eye and working it into the crease until I have it as dark as I like. I'm then taking the darkest color in the bottom corner and working that again on the outer third of my eye, a little bit into my crease, but really just to deepen things up. Then taking this neutral shade at the top, I'm running that on my lower lash line, and then going in with the Infallible shadows in the color Amber Rush and Blinged and Brilliant, I think it's called. I'm going in with Amber Rush first. It's a little bit more pigmented and has more like gold in it, and then the Blinged and Brilliant is a little more rose gold, a little more bright, so I'm going to pop that one right over the top just to kind of give it that extra pop. For my eyeliner, I'm using this gel liner by Pretty Vulgar and a really tiny brush. I don't even know who this is by, but it's just a really tiny eyeliner brush, and I like to concentrate this mostly on the outer third of my eye and have it kind of get a little bit thicker as I go out, and then wing it out very slightly. I wanted it slightly more dramatic than my everyday kind of winged liner, so I did do it a little bit longer and a little thicker, but still kept it pretty natural looking. So after curling my lashes, I'm moving on to the rest of my face. So going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, I'm applying that with a fluffy brush and just really buffing it out. I want it just a bronzy glow kind of a look rather than a contoured look. And then I'm going in with the Laura Geller blush, and I will link the color down below. It's really pretty. It has like gold reflex in it, so I thought it would be perfect for this look. And then for a highlighter, I'm going in with the Milani Afterglow, popping that on the high points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, brow bone, and a little bit on my forehead as well. I'm then doing a final spray with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. spraying that really good and then letting it dry down. For my mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous base and just popping that on the outer third of my lashes, and then going over the top of that with my Voluminous Lash Paradise, which you guys know I love. So I'm just applying 2 or 3 coats of that and calling it good. To complete the look, I'm going in with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Bow and Arrow and just applying that to my lips. And then moving on to my hair. If you guys want to see how I curl my hair, I will link a video down below where I show how I've recently been curling my hair. So yeah, then I'm just going to be fluffing it up and giving it some texture. So I'm teasing around my crown and just kind of combing it back, getting it ready to be in a ponytail. Also kind of teasing the sides a little bit, again, just to give it some texture and volume. I'm then going to be sectioning off these pieces in the front. So I would say about 2 to 3 inch sections, kind of from like your ear forward, and then bringing all the rest of your hair back. And this determines how high your ponytail is, so you can do it higher or lower than mine. Mine's just kind of straight back, maybe a little bit lower than straight back, but I'm just securing that with a clear elastic and then pulling some pieces out at the top for volume, so creating some texture there at the crown. And then I'm going to be taking one side that I had left out and kind of combing it back and then twisting it, pulling out some pieces to frame my face, wrapping it up over the ponytail and then pulling the hair under, and then securing that with, again, another clear elastic. So then I'm going to be doing the same exact thing with the other side, just kind of combing it back with my fingers, twisting it, pulling some pieces out, wrapping it up over my ponytail, and then bringing the pieces underneath to blend in with the ponytail, and then secure it with another clear elastic. Then I'm just fluffing up the twist a little bit so they're not super tight and just a little bit more loose and messy looking. And then finally I'm going to be teasing my ponytail and finishing off with some hairspray. So the hairspray that I used is the Garnier Fructis Volumizing Hairspray. Again, it will be listed down below for you guys. Love this hairspray. It's so good. So I sprayed that, and then it was time to get dressed. So for my outfit, I am wearing my favorite necklace from Shop Tribe Boutique. I absolutely love their stuff. It's literally all I have been wearing lately. So I will link their website and their Instagram handle down below so you guys can go follow them and check them out. As far as outfit details, those will be down below. And that is absolutely it. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!